Hello everyone, I'm so glad that you are here. Welcome to my course, Complete Linux Training Course to get your dream IT job. So about me, I'm Hari Cheruku, grade A trainer, conducted 100 plus DevOps and Linux with AWS training programs, training over 10,000 professionals from 135 organization and freshers also, achieving an average success rate of 97%, conducted webinars on Tech Gig as a Linux and AWS expert, and was invited as a guest speaker at DevOps and IT management conferences. I'm part of a dynamic group delivering through high engagement, outcome centric, and training for a 360 degrees, simple learn, and Linux, I make IT, and Ashok IT. So, coming to my certifications, experiences. So, certifications, so I did many certifications. So, few of them are something like I am a certified Red Hat. Certified engineer, certified ITL Foundation V3, and I am a certified AWS solution architect and certified CKA Kubernetes administrator. So coming to my experience, so over 12 plus years of experience as a senior DevOps engineer, including more than 10 years as a trainer. So our mission is to help professionals around the world acquire the skills they need to succeed in today's digital economy. So we are conducting both the online and offline classes, guys. So for online, so offline, so anyway, we are doing the one-on-one interaction with the people, and the for the online classroom ground rules, guys. So beyond time, you don't want to miss out anything. Have a doubt, use a chat box. So you can use the chat box, something like Zoom chat, or something like you can use the a WhatsApp chat or a Telegram chat. If you're having any doubt, you guys ping me on that WhatsApp chat or that Zoom chat. We will clear on that training video, training part. So we have a break every 2 hours or something like you deserve it. So if the class is 1 hour, so we will have a break at least 5 minutes in every half an hour. So then so each and every session we have a question and answers, guys, something like a puzzles. You will get the puzzles and answer the puzzles, then you will remember the course, guys. And feedback from the helps to understand how can we serve you better. Please fill out at the end of every session the feedback forms, guys. So and you can reach out to the help support or community from any assistance like chat so WhatsApp chat or Telegram chat, guys. Okay, if you love us, share it, guys. So Tech World with Hari is currently running a social media campaign called Spreading Knowledge, and you can be a part of it as a brand ambassador, guys. So social media, something like as a contributor, your words will be shared on Tech World with Hari social media channels, and you will get noticed a big time, which when tremendous boost your own professional brand, guys. So you can share your administration in the following ways. Share your appreciation with the regards to your overall learning experience and your faculty in 50 words or more. Mention the brand name Tech World with Hari in your testimonials. So in addition to the appreciation, share a few words on how your learning experience has positively impacted your career. Maybe you received a salary hike, a promotion, or a significant project, etc. You could also volunteer to share your testimonials on camera. The Tech World with Hari media team will be happy to make an appointment with you for this. Be aware of the links where you can post your reviews. What you are waiting for you. If you love us, share it. So you guys can watch it on the videos, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, guys. So and make sure please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel. So yeah, guys. So if you are want to so see the demo of the Linux or DevOps and AWS, you guys can go through the Tech World with Hari YouTube channel, and you guys can watch the demos, guys. So the below is the URL for the YouTube portal. So this is the www.youtube.com/techworld with Hari videos, guys. So thank you so much.